Hi, welcome to CCNA Labnote session. In this session, we'll be discussing about VLAN and InterVLAN communication. This is the topology I have created with 4 PCs and 1 switch. PCs are directly connected to the switch. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is connected to PC0, 0/2 is connected to PC1, 0/3 is connected to PC2, 0/4 is connected to PC3. We have 2 segments and 2 VLANs. VLAN 10 is mapped for 10.2.10.0/24. VLAN 20 is mapped for 10.2.20.0/24. I have configured IP addresses. PC0 have IP address 10.2.10.10. PC1 is having IP address 10.2.10.11. PC2 have IP address 10.2.20.11. PC3 have IP address 10.2.20.11. So before starting to VLAN configuration, let us check whether PC0 can communicate PC1. This is the IP address configuration which I have made. PC1 IP address is 10.2.10.11. I can communicate. So how about from PC0 to PC2? This is the IP address of PC2. So I'm trying to communicate from PC0 to PC2. That is not possible, but within the segment I can communicate. So how about PC2 to PC3? I can reach. So basically we have a connectivity and reachability within the same segment. But even within the same segment, how can we reach? Because we haven't configured anything in the switch. So let us check the VLAN configuration. Show VLAN is the command to check. So currently all interfaces are configured for VLAN 1, which is named as default. So that is the default configuration which comes for the switch. Like without entering to any VLAN configuration, all the interfaces will be mapped with the default VLAN. In some documents you may find native VLAN. So I have a workbook which is Enterprise edition from Netcuber. Let us start configuring VLAN. So our requirement is to configure VLAN 10 for students, which are PC 0 and 1, and configure VLAN 20 for teachers, and with the segment 10.2.20.0/24. So let us do that. First we'll go and configure VLAN. I'm entering configure terminal, which is configuration terminal mode, which also called as global configuration mode. So how to create a VLAN? Just type VLAN 10 and name it student, and another VLAN 20, name it teacher. So VLAN is configured. Then we need to map with the interface. So how to configure the interface? Interface fast and then 0/1. No shut. This is to bring the interface up. Switchboard mode access. I'm defining what is the mode. Either this is access port or trunk port. So in our scenario, which is access port, Right now I'm configuring 0/1, which is connected to PC0. So at the same time I have to configure remaining switch ports also. And now I'm going to call which VLAN it is configured for or required for. So the command to configure the VLAN is switch port access VLAN 10 for the first PC. Let us configure the second port first in a 0/2 no shut switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. So we have configured two interfaces. The first interface 0/1 and 2 are connected to VLAN 10. Let us go and configure for VLAN 20. Switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 20. This is connected to PC2. Interface fast in 0/4 no shut switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 20. So let us check the reachability right now. I'm in PC1. Let me verify reachability to PC0 10.2.10.10. This is the IP address I can reach. On PC2 I can reach. How about from PC2 to PC0? I cannot. So here we are. We have a connectivity reachability from PC0 to PC1 as well as PC2 to PC3 and vice versa, like a PC3 to PC2. So this is basically a communication within the segments, because VLAN 10 is mapped for one segment, VLAN 20 is mapped for another segment. So within the segment we can reach. Right now we need to enable inter-VLAN communication. So how to do that? Let us check the scenario. Show IP interface brief is the command to check the interface status. So our all connected interfaces are up. How can we make inter-VLAN communication? PC0 configuration is just the IP address configuration. We haven't defined any default gateway yet. So how to define? So if I want to reach from PC0 to PC2, first I have to reach, I should have a gateway. Like I'm in a segment where I should create a gateway for all the PCs. So what I'm gonna do is I'll configure an interface SVI in switch, and I'll make it as a gateway. Then in the gateway I have to enable routing. Then only I'll be able to reach another segment. So let us do that. Interface VLAN 10, IP address 10.2.10.1. let's keep 0. Another interface for 20, IP address 10.2.20.1/24. This is So I have configured the gateway. So until unless we specify the gateway in any device and host device, we won't be able to reach the other segment or something which is after the gateway placed. So let us specify the gateway first. 20.1 for PC2, PC1, 10.2.10.1. So it's correct. PC2 done, PC1 done, PC0 here. So these are the gateway configurations which I made. Let me try to reach the gateway first. Right now I'm in PC3 IP config. My gateway is 10.2.20.1, ping 10.2.20.1. I can reach. How about other segment? 10.2.20. So 10.2.10. Okay, 10.2.10.1 also I can reach. How about PC? No, I cannot reach. So why? Because we haven't enabled the routing. So that is the reason we cannot reach other segment. So this is the one command to enable InterVLAN communication. So right now I'm in PC1. Let me try to reach PC3 10.2.20.11. I can reach. So this is how we enabled InterVLAN communication. Hope it was informative for you. Thank you so much. We'll meet in another Labnote session. Thank you.